In this video, I'm going to do a review on astrophysics for people in a hurry. You're in a hurry, so let's start right now. Hello friends, my name is Juan and I make reviews on non-fiction books. If you haven't watched my other videos yet, I'm going to put links in the description down below that will take you right to them. Astrophysics for People in a Hurry is written by, I like to call him Star-Lord of astrophysics, Neil De Grasse Tyson. He is best known for being the director of the Hayden Planetarium, and he's also the host of Star Talk, which is a podcast where they talk about science, space, and popular culture. Let me know in the comments below if you're currently reading this book, and make sure you stick around until the end of this video, because I will be giving you 3 reasons why you need to read this book. And last, guys, don't forget to click on the like button if you enjoyed watching this video. So the first thing you need to know about this book is that it's specifically dedicated, and let me quote him right now. It says, it's dedicated for all those who are too busy to read fat books, yet nonetheless seek a conduit to the cosmos. You want to learn some astrophysics, so let me hit you with some astrophysics. Black holes, dark energy, dark matter, exoplanets. These are all things that most of us have heard about, either in the radio, TV, and the internet, but there hasn't really been someone who has explained what these things are in a way that the average person can understand. That's what this book is all about. Now, this book is full of facts, so there's not much I can say without spoiling the book for you. So let me just jump right in and tell you the 3 reasons why you need to read this book. Reason number 1 is that it challenges your beliefs. The power and beauty of physical laws is that they apply everywhere, whether or not you choose to believe in them. So in other words, after the laws of physics, everything else is just opinion. That's how powerful this stuff is. Reason number 2 is that it teaches you to love chemicals. Now, a lot of people don't like chemicals, and one of the main reasons for that is that chemicals tend to have a scary name. But in this particular case, then the blame doesn't fall on the chemicals themselves, but on the people who give names to these chemicals. Because whether you realize it or not, we are all made out of chemicals, and we eat chemicals every day. So for example, you like salt on your food, right? On your French fries. Well, yeah, that's a chemical. So there. Reason number 3 is that and I think this is the most important one, is that it teaches you humbleness. And what do I mean by that? Well, a lot of people like to think that they're special because we are different than everybody else, right? We're unique. But then Neil comes here and then he says, hold up. How about we look at it in a different way? How about we say that we're all special because we're all the same. We're all stardust. So in an interview, Neil De Grasse Tyson, he gave a very good argument that it's also basically covered in the book as well. And that is that if you take a closer look at what the things that we're made of, right? The chemicals, the compounds, these are things that are traceable in the inside of stars in space that manufacture these things. And a very long time ago, these huge stars were really, really hot, and then they exploded, right? They left a huge mess all over space because they run out of fuel. So now all this mess is what we can call stardust. Now, as time passed by, gravity started pulling these things together, and it clumped it into big objects, and that's how many planets were formed. And then one of those planets happened to be Earth. And then Earth gave birth to us. So that's one of the things I loved about this particular book. And in addition to that, not only does it teach you to appreciate our relationship with all life here on Earth, but also our chemical likeness with life in space that we have yet to discover. If you guys have any questions about this book, about space, you can just leave them in the comments below and I will help you if I can. Make sure you watch the other videos in my channel. Links for everything will be in the description down below. And last but not least, guys, make sure you click the subscribe button somewhere here. That way you can watch content like this in the future as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.